Hey, good evening everyone. This is the video for this little win all three choice, not choice, but win all three prizes here. Top spot gets the Quest holster and pinpointer and knife, Garrett Carrot, and Lachey knife. We are live. Nine ten. List here, 10 entries. You got Tyler on the top, Tyler on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. 7 times at 9, 10. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gone 6 times. We got Tyler on the top. We must go 7. Good luck. Wish coming your way at 9, 10. 9, 10. Last and final roll. Top spot gets all 3 prizes. Congratulations goes to Spot 10, Tyler. Congratulations, Tyler. Send me a PM with your shipping information, and I will get this out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 9:10. 9:10. Congratulations again, Tyler. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a good afternoon, or a good evening, excuse me, and a good weekend. Take care.